Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're navigating the crypto world in 2025, transferring USDT from your Phantom wallet to Trust Wallet is a breeze with the latest updates. Whether you're sending funds for trading, investing, or just moving assets around, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and updated to the 2025 versions. Phantom Wallet now features enhanced security with biometric logins, so open it up on your device and confirm you're logged in securely. Once inside, locate your USDT balance. That's the Tether token we're working with. Next, hit the Send button, which you'll find prominently displayed in the main interface. Phantom has streamlined this for 2025, so it should be straightforward. Now, you'll need the recipient's address from Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to the USDT section, and tap on Receive to copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Phantom, paste that address into the To field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, these are often dynamic based on network congestion. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your biometrics or PIN. You'll see a confirmation screen showing details like gas fees and estimated time. Once sent, head over to Trust Wallet and refresh your balance. It might take a minute or two, depending on the blockchain network, but your USDT should appear shortly. And there you have it, a successful transfer. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto space. Use hardware wallets for larger amounts and keep your apps updated. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.